Hey guys, in today's video we'll discuss why your Xfinity router's Ethernet port is blinking orange and how to fix it. A blinking orange light indicates a connectivity issue, often caused by outdated firmware. If the firmware is outdated, the router will blink orange while updating. You can wait for the update to finish or manually update the firmware. Visit the manufacturer's website, xfinity.com, link in the description, and download the latest firmware. Unzip the file if necessary, go to the router's web interface, navigate to the Update section, choose the downloaded firmware file, and click Update. Another common cause is modem overloading. To fix this, restart your router by switching off all connected devices, disconnecting the router from the power source, waiting for a minute, reconnecting the router, and then switching the devices back on. An ISP outage can also cause the orange blinking. Check with your service provider on their website, xfinity.com, or call their customer support at 855-870-1131. Details in the description to confirm if there's an outage. Thanks for watching.